Daeng, also known as Thai red curry, is a delightful and aromatic dish that combines the bold flavors of red curry paste, creamy coconut milk, protein, such as chicken or pork, and vegetables. Here's a quick overview of how to make it. Ingredients: red curry paste, homemade or store-bought. Coconut milk. Protein: chicken, pork, or tofu. Vegetables: bell peppers, bamboo shoots, pumpkin, etc. Fish sauce: fresh basil leaves, Kaffir lime leaves, optional. Sugar and salt to taste. Cooking instructions: heat oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add red curry paste and stir until fragrant. Mix in fish sauce, coconut milk, chicken broth, tamarind paste, brown sugar, and turmeric. Add fresh basil leaves and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Add your choice of protein, chicken, pork, or tofu, and simmer until cooked. Include vegetables like bell peppers, bamboo shoots, and pumpkin. Serve with rice or fresh vermicelli noodles. 1-2. Feel free to customize your Gaeng Daeng by adjusting the spice level, adding your favorite veggies, and enjoying this flavorful Thai curry.